Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free business and entrepreneurship certification. So this is the 100% free, boost your skill, and your certification will looks like this. So this is certification name, and your name will be there, and this is a professional certification. So certification ID will be there, and you when you will go get the date will be there, and this provider is the skillfront.com. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So this is the official link. Let me open the official link. So when you open the official link, so there want to learn business and entrepreneurship for the free and earn a professional certificate. In this video, we'll explore the SkillFront Entrepreneur Program. So foundation of business and entrepreneurship, a complementary training and certification program designed to help the student, freelancer, and professional develop an essential business skill. So what will go get with this certification? So there is a start a free program and certification. There is a today only 100% free skill fund and program is there and certification this and charge of this certification is USD 199 value, but now this is free and other is also there, just like a bonus program ebook the USD 97, bonus pro audiobook is $50 50 USD, and this badge is 99 USD. Now this is free, and this skill you will learn the skill 1, skill 2, and there is other skills are there. So you have to go step by step process for that, and get the skill fund certification package and all bonus for free. So we'll go through the step by step process. So first step is there, subscribe to the skill fund YouTube channel to access the complimentary training resources. So go with the step 2. When you will complete the step 1, click on the step 1, it will go the YouTube channel, and then subscribe and go to with the skill 2. There you can share this uh, tutorial. Okay. So after this, go to the step 3, and here we'll provide our details. So here all the details are there. So this is free of charge, and enter your details for the certification, just like I'm going to enter the gmail.com, country India, register for the free certification. Here you can get, we have a access code now. Okay, and if you check with your email address, here also you will get all the details, and here is the access code. So with the access code, what we'll do, when we'll go through the access code, click on the access, and there you provide your email address, and go with the access code. And before that, there is a ebook. So go with the other details. There is a all the step by step dedication and table of content. So welcome to script form, become a bit better than you every day, and all the details will be there. So act and live likes. So you read this one and complete this one. Then if you want to go for the audio book, then you can go with this and access the examination. So we have access, this page will open, and here we have to provide our email address and access code, and click on access your exam. So all the exam details is there. So now there is a exam time is approx 1 hour, and you have to give with the you have a 30 question. So when you will complete this, then you will get a email of certificate of this. So in email you will get a certificate, and when you will open the certificate, your certificate will be looks like. So your certificate will be looks like this. So this is the certificate, your name will be there, and other details will be there. So we'll go through the step-by-step process and complete this one. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. And you can follow me on social media link, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box and share, like, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.